Your face looking like $1 million and your mouth smelling like that. That's not good. That's not good, babe.
Well, give me a gum.
Not gonna be good. Gum cannot help it. Right, a gum cannot help your mouth right now.
Listen.
That breath need deliverance. The breath need deliverance, baby. No gum can help your breath right now. Yeah, guys, you know, just they have vibe, right? Yeah, man. Yeah, so welcome back again, guys. You know, I'm there and today name my wife treat day, so you don't know, I done promise my wife from how long so I go treat her to Starbucks because she been at them say she a crave it and whatsoever the case is. So just come off of work, probably looking rough, but you know, it is what it is. So I tell her say I go treat her. So I there know I do a little intro because you know I treat her, I say I put this on the camera. You know, I'm prank her till because the prank must go on, right? So just stay tuned for that prank here. We're at Starbucks right now. I wait for her to come out. You understand me? Try getting her head for she go inside, go get the drink, because I want to do the intro. You understand me? I say so the camera out right now. And once I see her come, I just press it on my phone and start it back. You understand me? I say so she probably not have no clue say I'm gonna start it, so stay tuned for it, guys. Nice, I'm gonna get the camera running, guys.
I had to make sure that they put coconut milk because I don't want to do any dairy right now.
Oh, so that's coconut milk?
Yeah.
Okay, I see how you feel about your drink. Your husband always cheating.
Do you want to try it? Oh, I gave you a card. Thank you.
Your husband always treating it to the best.
Thank you.
Enjoy it, man. You know, I don't really like the Starbucks, but I want you to enjoy a drink.
You want to try it?
You know, all day and stuff like that, and I want you to enjoy a drink.
Thank you.
It looks like a cherry.
You don't want my lipstick on your lips.
No. I always want put your lip on my own. Look on them.
I think I do got lipstick on it. Look, there is some right there.
You're looking really beautiful today, honey.
Thank you.
You're looking really nice.
Thank you.
You're my waters.
Did I make you drink it all, did you?
Yeah, I did.
You can have some of
I need
mine.
to rush home to get some. You're a sweetie pie.
Where do you want to go to the spit or something?
Probably. We probably can do that. I wanted to go to the dollar store to get some.
Okay. This is a Frappuccino, vanilla with, she put like a coffee flavor in it. It's good.
In that? Oh, okay.
So it's like a vanilla-y coffee.
It look like a holiday.
What?
Like, why does it seem like it's a holiday?
I don't know. I'm not sure. June the 9th shouldn't be a holiday.
Oh, you didn't refill this car with any oil towel or anything yet, eh?
No, I got this.
I remember the days when I'm waiting on the bus. Yeah.
I actually brought this for the car. Okay. Babe, you're gonna let me drink this, finish it all without you having any?
You're just so... What happened to you? You're just so
I want you to try it. It's really good.
Yeah, but I told you I don't
You
really
like coconut, babe. You like coconut milk. You like coconut cream. You like coffee, and you like vanilla. So
But that's your treat. But I told you it's a wife treat there, right?
yeah, but why don't you want to drink it,
Alright.
babe? Why are you wiping the straw off?
I don't want to drink from your mouth.
Why you kiss? You kiss me.
Babe, I don't want any kiss. I don't want any kiss.
You kiss me all the time, and now you're.
appreciate that I don't want to drink from your mouth, honey?
You kiss me every
So
day.
what? So what? What if I wipe
So
the
why
straw?
are you wiping the straw off?
Because I don't want to kiss it.
Babe,
I don't.
what is wrong with you?
don't
Why you
wanna-
drink off me all the time?
No, I don't want to drink from your straw.
Babe, stop. Why don't you want to drink from my straw? What do you think, I got the cooties or something? What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
I don't want to drink from your straw, babe. Why? You can't appreciate.
I
Why?
drink from your straw all the time, so
I
what's the
smell your mouth
difference?
today. I didn't, and
What?
it's not smelling great.
I brush my teeth and I use mouthwash, so and I'm
What?
drinking that. That smells good. So what are you talking about? You are such a liar. Let me see. That don't stink. What are you doing?
Smell it again, cause it seems like your nose is not smelling properly.
It does nothing on it. It smells like coffee.
Really, really. It's not smelling good, honey.
Babe.
Drink your juice, man. You know what?
No, I want you to drink it without wiping. I can't believe you. Like I got some kind of infectious disease or something.
So you're gonna be mad at me now?
I
Because
just don't
drink from
I don't understand. We
But you
kissed.
just want me to taste it. So what's the big deal, honey? You just want me to taste the drink, and I'm tasting
I
the
just
drink.
don't,
And
I don't understand. If,
So,
give me a kiss.
you-
Come, give me a kiss. Come here. What is the difference? Why are you not kissing me right now?
your mouth not smelling proper.
Shut up. That's not
Your
true.
mouth's not smelling
I don't
good.
believe you. I don't believe you.
Let me smell your mouth again. It's hot breath, baby.
What?
Breath is hot.
It smells like that.
This is a total different smell. Smell
My breath don't stink. It does not.
Breath stink, babe.
Maybe some days, but not right now. I brush my teeth. I floss my teeth. I use.
Let me make this. On the cheek.
On the cheek? Why on the cheek? What are you showing off?
I'm not showing off, babe. I just want. I can't ask for a kiss on the cheek. Every day you kiss me on the mouth.
You're
Today I want
playing
a
with
kiss
me.
on the cheek because your mouth is not smelling the best. Your mouth is not smelling the best, honey.
Are you being serious?
I'm not, and I'm not playing with you.
You're not?
No, I'm not playing with you, hon.
Are you pranking me?
Why do you think I'm pranking you? Look at the camera, it's not even on.
I know, but I know that, but
But what?
I don't know. You just seem like you're. Why would you not drink from my straw?
Babe, you just wanted me to get a drink. What's the big deal? You just
Because you
wanted me to
wipe
get
the
a
straw
drink.
off. When do you ever wipe my straw off? And you don't want to kiss me? You're telling me to kiss you on the cheek? What the heck?
So what's the big deal in me wiping the straw off?
But why can't you kiss me on the lips?
Is that a big deal for me to kiss you on the lips? So today I don't want to drink from the straw, and today I want a kiss on the cheek. Is that what's the what? What?
It makes no sense to me.
See, drink the drink off anyways. Oh my god, you're just so fussy over everything.
I'm
man.
drinking it because you wipe my straw. That's why, so I'm drinking it. You don't have to have any of it.
So you're upset with me right now?
Yeah.
I wipe your straw off?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, because you never clean your mouth properly.
Because I don't believe you. I don't believe you because I can see me having bad breath when I first wake up in the morning or whatever, but not after just brushing my teeth and drinking this. It's not going to stink.
Or you come out with your face looking like $1 million and your mouth smelling like that. That's not good. That's not good, baby.
Well, give me a gum.
Not gonna be good. Gum cannot help it. Right? A gum cannot help your mouth right now.
Listen.
That breath need deliverance. The breath need deliverance, baby. No gum can help your breath right now. What?
You told me that my breath is not smelling anymore. Now you're saying it stinks again. I thought I got...
Good breath?
What?
You got a good breath. I was just messing with you, honey.
Is it stinking right now?
Oh, I start the camera when you're coming in.
Oh my. I figured you were pranking me because I was like, what the heck? What do you mean? Why are you wiping my straw off and why won't you give me a kiss? And I was like...
I was just pranking. Yeah, taste it. It's fine, babe. I just wanted a reaction for the camera.
I was like, what do you mean my breath is... I mean, yeah, I've had stinky breath in the past, but I thought we were over that hump.
You're good. You're good, my beautiful.
Okay.
So guys,
I
we're
said...
gonna get a reaction for y'all.
But I was like, he must be pranking me because why would he be wiping my straw off and not giving me a kiss? Like, that wasn't making any sense to me. And then you didn't want to go through the drive-thru. I was like, okay, well, I gotta pee anyway. So I was like, what the heck? Like, I didn't know. Figured you were up to something, but I wasn't sure.
We hope you enjoy that one here, guys. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notification bell on for all uploads. See you guys in the other one. Peace out. Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?